Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and I'm going to just show you what's going to be coming up here in the next week or several weeks and what I've got going on. Thank you for joining me here. Ninja's down by my feet having one of her delicious treats that I've given her, and I've been full-time in my class C RV for almost 4 years, 99% of the time boondocking, like I am now in the National Forest. So today I had planned on a couple of things. One was I was going to give you kind of the update on the HiBoost Cellular Booster and where I was in the testing process. Well, dummy me, I used the Velcro it came with instead of this big thick connector, sticky pad. And I used that Velcro, put it up high on the wall. And after about a day, well, I was testing it, it was working. The Velcro peeled right off. The adhesive gave up, and it fell to the ground, breaking the cable end that screws in. So the part that screws in basically broke in half. I tried to do some gluing and taping, but I don't think it was working that well. So I wanted to make sure I had the original equipment to do the full review for you. So I contacted the company HiBoost, and the person I've been dealing with there, let her know the problem, and she's shipping out a new 25-foot cord because the tip of the other one broke. The other thing I was going to show you is I had done a whole video on my Jeep. I know a lot of you don't have Jeeps, but it's entertainment, and some of you might find it relevant if you do have a Jeep. The radio volume doesn't work in the stock radio, so I watched YouTube videos taking the whole dash apart, which first time I did it, you know, you're wondering where this is and that is. But after it was all said and done, I'm like, oh, that was pretty easy. Well, I had a heat gun. I tried doing it on the radio. That YouTubers say sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. And in my case, it did not work. And there's Ninja. So because it didn't work, I had a full, ton of video that I was filming with the ICEFOX action camera, 4K. And I was going to let you see and hear some more from the ICEFOX camera. Because one thing I did note is I don't think I gave a comparison of the sound in my Jeep with the AC on and maybe without any background noises and how it does. So I wanted to give a little bit more of a kind of update to be fair to them. Plus, I don't think I showed their app at all. So I wanted to give you a couple of screenshots of that. I will put that in the video right now, a couple of shots for the ICEFOX action camera 4K. It's like $60. It's kind of similar to a GoPro, but it's only $60. So I'm showing you a couple of snapshots of the Snap Pro app that works with the ICEFOX 4K action camera. For that reason, I recommend it, even though I've had some issues with the sound, and it's kind of a bummer I can't use my nice wireless mic like I can with the phone. Ninja down here, eating one of her moist treats that I got her. Seems like every cat loves these. Sheba with sustainable tuna. These come in a 2-pack right now for like 69 cents for both of them at Tractor Supply Company. And I'm sure in a minute she'll be meowing to go outside. Sorry, I had to stop the video because there was about a 2-inch bug beetle flying around here, and I don't know where he went. It was terrifying. Anyway, so let's get to the HiBoost 3.0 RV cell phone booster. I showed it to you on the unboxing in one of the previous videos. And here in that 14 by 14 inch vent that I have a pillow basically shoved in it. Although on the outside there's Reflectix, I did put a small hole in the screen to allow the cable to run inside, around here, and over here. Because even when I was trying to put it on the dash here, or here, it was not working. It was getting what they call a loop, or a partial loop. So you have to have this booster far enough away from the outside antenna that it's not having a conflict in the signals. And then from there, you can see how the cable up here with the box that came in, that's what that is. And then there's the inside antenna. So it took me a minute to follow the trails. Where's Waldo? So there's the inside antenna, temporary like all this is, because that has a magnet on it, and it also came with a sticky dealio to stick it wherever you need to. Just like the actual booster came with a couple stickies that have Velcro to put it in a certain spot. So I'm recording this on the ICEFOX Ultra High Def 4K action camera. Now I've done a full review on this just a week or two ago, and I want to fill in some of the things I didn't tell you. So this is all going to be filmed on the ICEFOX, and the microphone isn't great. So what you're hearing now is me being a foot away from the mic, just like a moment ago, and the fact that it doesn't work with the wireless mics, which is all I have. They said it works with a wired mic, but I don't see where to plug one in, and I'm not going to buy a wired mic just for this. With my new radio, it does come with a mic that has a plug, but I won't need it for the Jeep because I've got one hardwired in. Okay, I've got the camera mounted almost pointing completely straight, and it is in car mode, which is supposed to help reduce the shake. But from here on, I'm just going to start driving and play some music for you. just wanted to show this area here. This is just where the pavement ends, and going to the right goes for miles and miles in the forest where I'm at. Gonna hop around there. But in the wintertime, they close the gate that's in front of me, and I'm gonna try to stay there for a couple weeks at a time. Park there. My Jeep would just have to go through snow for a little bit, but I'm hoping that'll work and I'm able to stay there. But that's not till thinking about the end of November, so we got a ways to go popping around in the forest over here. So that ends my day, basically right back where I started. So I've got a lot of goodies to go over here. Ninja loved her stacks that I got at Tractor Supply Company. And that's going to do it for today. So thank you for watching. From Ninja and I bid you adieu. Go out there, be positive, be nice, and be active. And please smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed this. And if you'd like to see more videos like this and me and my RV life with Ninja, please subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. It's free. Take care.